Ching, 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 ching. Why you wanna ding-a-ling, ding, so tired of your ching, 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 ching. Why you wanna ding-a-ling, ding.
What is up, you guys? So I know I look crazy. I know I look real crazy, but the reason why I'm looking like this because I'm finna get bomb, okay? But anyway, I was sent some hair from this company called ReadyWigs. I'll put everything down in the I'll put everything down in the description box, as you guys know, like everything, so make sure you check it. But yeah, I was sent some hair by this company. When I got it, didn't come like this, but I made it like this because I was too anxious to open it. So anyway, it came in this little box, this little DHL thing. After you pull it out of that, it comes in this little black thing. It's nicely well wrapped, guys, just to let you guys know. And then it has the box. The box is so pretty. Oh my god, I like the box. Like, it's so cute, and it's like this blush pink color. It is so cute. I love the design, everything. And then when you guys open it, boom, look at it. Like, did I take everything out? Okay, anyway, boom, there go the wig. The box is very pretty and neat. And then you take it out the box, girl. You take it out the box, and the wig is right nice and neat. And then you also have this other stuff that they give you. Let me show you. It's so cute. The box is so pretty. So they give you a hairnet, a little spray bottle, and then they give you this little cute little card with this flower thing on it. It's so pretty. That's cute. This is basically the hair care. They tell you how to, keep your hair up. And this is a synthetic wig, by the way. I want to get more into it, but this is a synthetic wig, by the way. But girl, let's get into this wig right now. So I'm about to take it out the net. This wig is, like I said, it is a synthetic wig. For this to be a synthetic wig, is no shine to it. It looks so human. It smells like fresh hair. It smells like hair. It smells like synthetic hair. It smells like weave. But it comes with two combs in the front, one comb in the back, and adjustable straps, of course. And it is like a little mini lace front. Not all the way, it's not a lace front, okay? It comes with that little line of lace right there, as you guys see. And then it gives you a little lace on the side, just in case you want to lace some baby hairs. So I just cut the lace off. And by the way, the lace is a brown color. It's not really too white. Okay, so if I can remember, I'm gonna post pictures and everything throughout this video, but I don't really have the pictures on me. So that's one thing. They don't have like a picture of the wig. Let me see, make sure I didn't miss it. And I didn't really see like the item number of the wig that I got, but I'm gonna go on their website and I'm going to show you guys how the website look as well. So I'll probably do that right now. I'll probably try to put it on the side of the screen of how the website look and everything, or the next clip. I don't know, but I'm going to show you guys some good stuff. But anyway, this wig is obviously a side wig. I really like middle parts, but I like middle parts. And I probably could like trim this down to make it a middle part. Wait, hold on. I don't know. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. The wig is snug. It's not too snug, but it can fit some extra hair up in here. So you have more hair than me, then you good. Yeah, but this is a side part, and I don't really like side parts, but I'm feeling this side part, honey. It's giving me like, okay. wait a minute. Y'all know what I be feeling myself. I start. Okay. All right. Look. Okay. Even this is the type of wig you don't need baby hairs. You feel me? I'm giving Aaliyah vibes. Rock the boat, rock the... Okay, you know what? Look at that. I can't even see how it look on the side. Look at that cut. Oh my God, I feel like an adult. I feel like a grown lady with this wig on. Stop playing with me. Like... I'm sorry, honey. I need some wine, please. Wine. Oh my God, girl. This is, wait till I put some makeup on. I'm finna put some makeup on. I'm finna put a little outfit on. I'm finna look cute. I was sure thinking like, okay, I probably gonna have to bump it, flat iron it. I don't have to do nothing to this. I wish you stopped washing me out. My phone. Look out. Can y'all see the back? Like, oh my God. Girl, look how deep that part is. The part go all the way back here. Girl. All right, I'm gonna go do my makeup. All right. So I just put something up together. Oh, I look completely different. I'm catfishing, okay? Nah, but this is the look that I ended up doing. I don't do a lot of makeup, like I said, y'all. I don't do beat faces. I just put lip gloss on, little lashes. Sometimes I even put a little color, something and pop in there, you know. And then for the makeup, I like to do like the Asian. I like the way like the Japanese, Asians, you know. I like the way they blush and they kind of put it across their nose. It gives it a little like cute little, I don't know, I just really like the way they look. So, all right, so there it is. This is the wig. Sis, you can't. I cannot. It's so soft. It's soft. I love the part. It's deep. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put everything down in the description box. Just to let you guys know again. I call ReadyWig, guys, and they have synthetic hair. They got human hair. I went on their website and looked at their human hair. Girl, when I tell you bargain. I hope I can work with them again. Please, ReadyWigs, because I really want to test some of y'all human hair out. I want to test some human hair out. And on top of that, they had added like, I think 3 or 4 more synthetic wigs, because you guys know, as you guys know, it is the winter time and spring is gonna come up, the summer finna come up, and they already know color is popping. So they getting them some color popping synthetic wigs, honey. They getting ready, and I love it. I love this wig. I feel so in the cut. The cut. Stop playing. Okay. I like this. Oh my head. Yes. Do y'all see? Look at that part. Look at that stiff. Where is the stiff at? Where is the stiff? What? Stiff? No. Honey. Oh. Like, oh my God, I can tell. Look, no shedding. No, none. Okay, wait. 1 string out of the whole time I was combing it. Not. It can't be. Girl, thank you, ReadyWigs, for reaching out to me and giving a girl a chance. As you guys know, I am a small YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? And all those wigs that I was getting and I was reviewing, I was buying them myself, and that's a lot of money, you know? So thank you for somebody giving me the opportunity to review you guys' wigs, and I love it. Girl, I love it. Thank you. Oh my God. Cannot just let all this cuteness just go to waste. I can't. Y'all, like I said, everything will be in the description box, so make sure y'all check that out. Okay, check that out in the description box, because I will put everything down in the description box, and hopefully I'll insert the pictures too throughout the video. If not, then I'm gonna put it at the end of this video. But yeah, guys, hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Make me stay.